This is a 1996 993 C4S Coupe and Grand Prix White with a midnight blue interior. With the arrival of this car at the end of the air-cooled era for Porsche came arguably the best car Porsche has ever made. When we brought the wide-body 993 to the PCA Works reunion at Monterey Car Week, we almost got tired of hearing people tell us that the 993 design was the best-looking car Porsche had or would ever make. Well, almost, but not quite. This particular 993 is in excellent condition and has just over 47,000 miles. One of just 1,091 cars built in 1996, this car has the added bonus of a dealer-installed factory Porsche aero package, making it even more rare. Own this Porsche and you'll own a special part of Porsche history. Gaudin Porsche of Las Vegas is proud to be the very first Porsche certified classic partner in North America.